Okay, here's a quick little video on how to replace the filter. You can see here my notification is telling me it's time. This is the Levoit Core Mini. You don't need any tools. You just need one of these replacement filters. I've linked this below to Amazon. That's what it looks like. And there's a link below directly in the description. You can pick up your filter. So first order of business is you want to unplug it. Make sure that dies off. To remove the bottom half, just grab here and just put your one hand here and your other hand there and just turn it counterclockwise. And then you have access to it. To put it back together, just do the opposite. Pull out your oil filter, take a look at it. It's not too shabby. It's also a good time to inspect there. I've got some gnats and whatnot. Gonna go ahead and replace or clean this out. All right, so I've got those gnats cleaned out. Here's the new filter. Just slide that in like so. Okay, I didn't actually do a good job of capturing this, but while this filter light is on, if you just hold down the power button for 3 seconds, that will indicate that it's got a new filter and it'll reset that light. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.